If I had to describe the Artist in Residency program in one word, it would be adventure. This lets you come out and really explore, see what there is to offer, and explore within yourself too, within your medium. I would recommend it to anyone. My experience here has definitely influenced me as an artist. When you're, in your daily life, the things that swim to the top of your consciousness aren't necessarily the things that you're most passionate about. They're the things that have to be addressed. And so it's absolutely wonderful to be able to remove yourself from that and get into an environment that is so natural and so beautiful and so clean, and follow where your thoughts go.
There's really no better enmeshment of the human world and the natural world than through art. Art is a great way to interpret nature. The artist, on one hand, gets a great working environment and an inspirational setting. What the park gets and what the public get from the park is a more diverse interpretation of natural themes and beauty.
I am learning so much here. It's really great. A residency, it sets you free. I mean, it takes you away from your normal everyday activities and just lets you kind of dive in and follow your heart and follow your passions and learn about things as you go along. Like, for example, I took some photos of some mosses earlier this week that were just so interesting, and I was able to reach out to some resources locally and find out what those mosses actually were. So I'm learning as I go along too, which is really satisfying.
It's a really wonderful time to be here because the environment really promotes that kind of introspection and lets you just kind of be in a way that I think would be different if it was hustle and bustle and spring and bright and stuff, so it's cool.
In a short amount of time, we've seen a great diversity of artwork.
As an artist, coming into a residency and coming into a park like this, you also need to understand that you have a responsibility to make the experience beneficial on both ends. And I think that that's something that if you're applying for a residency, you need to keep that in mind.
I would encourage anyone with an artistic inclination to consider some type of an opportunity like this, an opportunity to step away from your normal life, just even if it's just for a day or two, and take advantage of I don't want to use the word leisure because it sounds frivolous, but take advantage of a little bit of personal freedom to follow your interests and really pursue it. Indulge in the focus and see where it takes you.
People come to a place like this and they get a feeling, but I think that art in all of its various forms helps them put a purpose and a name to that feeling and helps them take it home with them. I would say it's an enlightening thing to bring a program like this into a place like this.